What if I told you the key to unlocking your true potential is to completely disappear? To go underground, cut out distractions, and transform in silence? Imagine shocking the world with your new self, but doing it in such a way that you don't even care what others think. This isn't about quick fixes or overnight success. It's about taking control of your life by retreating into the shadows, where you can build something unrecognizable. It's the secret weapon that the most successful people use, and it's time you learned how to master it. Ready to break free from the noise and truly transform? Let's dive in. The more you expose your life, the more people will find ways to drag you down. It's a natural sociological phenomenon. There's something powerful about disappearing, working in the shadows, becoming unavailable, and committing to becoming the next version of yourself in secret. That can be exhilarating, exciting even, because when you reappear, your transformation will shock the world. Funny thing is, when you do reappear, you won't care, because you'll have learned in the shadows that the only opinion that matters is your own. Let's break this down the right way. There are 3 key parts to this process: how to disappear, what to do in the shadows, how to reappear. If you mess up any part of this, especially the last, you're going to regret it. Now, how do we disappear the right way? First, shut your mouth. Shut it. Your mouth betrays you far more than you realize. You need to get it under control. From now on, you will no longer speak openly about your life to anyone else. Not your family, not your friends, not your coworkers. The only exception is your life partner, if they genuinely want you to succeed and crush it. I really hope the answer is yes. It's going to be hard to control your mouth. It'll take time. We have this natural habit of spilling information. It's coded into us for survival. But to truly disappear, you have to fight that. You need to learn to catch your thoughts before they leave your mouth. Become a mystery to everyone, and only then will you be able to move in the shadows. Second, only care about what you think. Everyone else doesn't matter anymore. To disappear and stay hidden, you have to reprogram your mind. You have to stop caring what others think. The truth is, they don't care about you. But the problem is, you think they do, and that belief often dictates your actions. You need to kill that side of you that cares what others think. What you must do is create a person in your mind, your ideal self, and obsess over what that person thinks of you. That's the only opinion that matters. Would you be proud of yourself? Would you be happy with what you've done? We're often driven by what others think, but you have to cheat the system and make you the other person. Through this process, you will become less of a puppet of others and more in control of your own life. It's not easy, and it takes practice and repetition. Share in the comments if you've managed to figure this out and explain how. Third, hide your plans. Along this journey, you'll develop some ambitious plans. You'll get excited and want to share them with those around you. But don't you dare. Keep those plans close to your chest, like they're the passwords to your treasure. A healthy way to think about it is this: every time part of your plan leaks out, it reduces your chances of accomplishing it by 5%. Speaking about your plans, showing them openly, only hurts you. You're satisfying others and sabotaging yourself. Stop being careless. Be surgically intentional. If you need advice or expertise from someone to aid in your planning, do so selectively. Stay focused, stay hidden. When you're ready, you'll emerge stronger than ever. Find the exact right person, reveal only the bare minimum, acquire the knowledge you need, and disappear again. Progress will come. It may take time, but it will arrive. You'll notice that progress comes more easily when you stay hidden. But don't let anyone see it. Don't show off your improved physique, your newfound wealth, or your new skills. Just focus on progressing even more. Disappearing is only worth it if it carries you through the entire transformation. Going back to your old ways midway will likely reverse all the progress you've made, bringing you right back to square one. You'll feel the natural urge to share the changes happening in your life. You'll need to flex your willpower and keep things to yourself. Use that energy instead to fuel your efforts even more. Recycling that energy can push you to the next level in your journey. We're all about leveling up in life on this channel, so like and subscribe to stay part of the discovery and discussion. Going into ghost mode, monk mode, or crushing it in the shadows will be tough. You will be physically hurt, mentally fatigued, and may even bleed or cry as you face countless obstacles standing between you and progress. Your instinct might be to complain to a close friend or seek comfort from family, but here's the reality. You'll need to shut that metaphorical pie hole and endure the struggle in silence. Bleed, sweat, and cry on your own. Scream into the wind. Let those tears flow. Patch up your wounds with a first aid kit, but do it yourself. Do it in the shadows. Let the pain build your strength and character. Let each moment of rock bottom propel you to a higher level of performance. It's in those moments of pain that a new version of you will emerge. Embrace the pain, even look forward to it. That's true beast mode. Now we're ready to transform. Pick your targets. What are you going to transform? Be specific about it. What exactly do you want to build? Do you want to be jacked and unrecognizable? Or do you want a money printing business? Whatever it is, be crystal clear on your goals. Write them down, place them where you can see them. But remember, no one else can see them. Revolve your life around crushing it. Every waking hour should be planned to drive toward your goals. Obsess over them. You need the mentality that this is your one shot in life. Dedicate every breath to it. Everything you do should be intentional, focused on aiding your transformation. Move to an apartment close to the gym or classes that support your goals. Join a course that teaches the skills you need to succeed. Time block your day so that you spend a few hours working on your transformation every single day. Dedicate one day a week to reviewing your plan, updating it, tracking progress, and breaking down larger goals into smaller, manageable tasks. Do everything it takes. Reprogram your mind. Happiness comes from crushing it. You'll need to love the process of disappearing. At first, it may feel strange, but eventually you'll learn to enjoy the pain and the solitude of being unseen. This shift in thinking is part of your positive transformation, so embrace it and let it happen. Once you've accomplished your transformation, you might think you'll want to reappear, but something interesting will happen. If you do this right, you won't care to reappear. You'll have become one with the shadow. Your life will have transformed beyond expectations. You will keep crushing it and pushing toward bigger, better goals, remaining a mystery to most. You'll find a peace in the shadows, a new life that surpasses anything you had before. And if you'd like to learn about an incredible cheat code for life,